How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video we're going to talk about your M1 MacBook Pro's touch bar is not working. Well, if you're suddenly experiencing that your touch either goes black, unresponsive, touch is not working, or maybe it's frozen, then this is the video you want to watch. Well, no, this problem gonna happen for very different reasons. First of all, this problem gonna happen for a faulty malfunction application, heavy usage of memory, CPU, or disk space, software glitches, or if you're running older version of Mac OS, or this problem also can happen either water damage or hardware related issues. Now, to solve your problem, the first place you want to go is your terminal, okay? If you don't get your terminal on your dock list, you can simply click on this spotlight search and then type terminal here. Then you're going to see your terminal application. Just click on to open that, and now just type a little program, okay? Now type sudo and give it a space and type pkill, give it a space again, and right afterward just type touch bar service. Now while you're just typing the touch bar service, make sure for touch, T should be in the capital letter, for bar, B should be capital letter, and service, S should be the capital letter. Afterward, just give it a space and hit return. And then it's going to ask you for the password of your MacBook Pro. Just simply enter your password and then hit enter. Now afterward, your touch bar will get restarted, okay? Now after restarting your touch bar on your M1 MacBook Pro, just go ahead and give it a restart on your MacBook Pro to solve your problem. Now after restarting your MacBook Pro, just to check whether it is now working or not. Now if you're still experiencing the same problem, now go ahead and click on your spotlight search and type activity monitor, and then just go ahead and open up your activity monitor and make sure to click on CPU, okay? And now click on search, and you need to find out two applications from here, okay? Now the first one is called the control strip, so type control strip here. Once you just get control strip, just go ahead and click on this application. And afterward, just simply go ahead and click quit, okay? And then click quit, and right afterward, just simply once again go to the search bar and type touch bar, okay? Now type touch bar, and you're going to see this application tool appears right here. Click on there, and now you have to just click quit as well, and click quit. And afterward, let's go ahead and check whether now your touch bar is now being able to work properly or not. If you see still you're having the same problem, the next things you have to do, just go ahead and click on the Apple logo and simply click on the system preference and then navigate to your software update. Now if you found a new software available for your M1 Mac, just go ahead and update it. After updating your Mac OS will solve your problem for your touch bar. Alright guys, now after doing all of the process, and if you have tested them all out and still you're experiencing the same problem, that means there is something going wrong with the hardware. Now to solve your hardware related issues, you gotta take your MacBook Pro to the Apple Care, and hopefully they will solve the problem for you. Alright guys, so these are the ways that you guys can follow in order to solve your touch bar is not working on your M1 Mac. Hope you find this video useful. If so, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.